Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify Wrapped. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify Wrapped, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Spotify. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.